Here's a ring display board that I'm making for my upline. It's a rep in BP Jewelry Reveals, Surprise Jewelry Reveals. And it turned out really amazing. I made this all in Bamboo Studio. I took the picture that you see there and made it into a model and created the cones and the board myself. I will be painting the cube red to kind of make it pop more. That was just a test run to see if the model would print correctly, and it did quite well, like really well for the effects that I was looking for. So be looking for that video to be coming up on how to also paint on Bamboo Studios. I'll be doing my own little tutorials of what I found and what works for me. Could possibly work. Like right here in the video, a nice little brim on there on the outside 5mm would have not caused that to go up a little bit, but I did reprint it. Right here, you see the cones printing. I just made those stair step down 10mm per level, so you would see more of the ring and not another cone behind it or in front of it. I try to space it out a little bit. If you like the video, hit that subscribe button, follow button, whichever platform this is on. Make sure you're following.